Hi guys, today's teardown this very vintage mobile phone I got from the flea market for €1. It is a mid-90s portable mobile phone, GSM yet. The brand is Orbital, of course it does not exist anymore. So it comes into this kind of suitcase form factor, quite nice but quite heavy too. So first here you have the handset with LCD display, volume control, usual keys. It takes a full-size GSM card that you insert here. There is a metal plate for a magnet here to keep the thing in place. It is connected to the base to this with this very weird connector, as you can see. So we will have a look in the handset too. The battery, not sure if it is lead or nickel cadmium battery. It is not written. 12 volts, 1.8 ampere hour, made in UK. Very specific battery for this model of phone. Of course it is completely dead. Then the base itself, you have the antenna here. You have a plug for car hosting, I believe. Some option cover here. First side. So it is all made in UK by Orbital Mobile Communications Limited. Some built-in heatsink here. Then the handle, which is very nice. Okay, first we'll have a look in the handset. So there is just this kind of little cover to remove. And I may be able to open. In fact, I did already open it previously. It is why this flex is disconnected. So as you can see, it is quite nicely made. The plastic has some shielding here. You have contacts of a card reader, speaker and microphone. It connects to this PCB with a keyboard. Here is the LCD display. You can see the very nice strain relief on this cable. No cost saving here. And a nice connector here also. So these things were terribly expensive back in the time, and it is why they were well made, by the way. So as I will not disassemble it anymore, I will reconnect the parts in order to have it in a kind of functional condition. Even if it is never to be used again, I believe. Well, most probably, by the way. So when it is done, you have to try to put this like this and just put back the screw. Here we are for this part. Then the base. So, there is a screw here to remove, and it will release the entire battery and handset adapter here, as you can see. Everything is made in UK. It is very really nice. Then we have a number of screws to remove. So, oh, they are very fast to remove. I expect to find several PCBs in this with mostly big surface mount or through all parts. I have a dead code here, 1994. So I was not far when saying it is from mid-90s. This one is a little tight. Okay. So it should come, yes. Okay, guys, lots of screws falling. So you can see we have two PCBs in here. One which is more RF related, and one which is more logic PCB, digital one. And here in the cover we have a box. It must be a DC to DC converter, probably, made by ST Microelectronics in Morocco. You have the model numbers for you if you are interested in it. So the PCBs, we have SAW filters or things like this here, antenna cable with nice golden coax plug, the main power amplifier module made by Motorola, Malaysia. This chip is from Tektronix, it seems, Tech US it says, with only one numbers on it. Here we have a Murata module. It is a transmit and receive splitter for antenna, by the way, by the looks of it. Then here we have some little relay, flex connector and a header connector for optional things, it seems. It should come here, not sure what it is. The main chips, we have some proprietary chips with Orbital logo on it. Memories, it seems. Oh, look at these guys. Old-fashioned EEPROM, a microcontroller chip with a glass on it for programming and a little sticker covering it. Really nice. And it is in a ceramic package. In this socket, I don't not remember the name for this particular kind of socket. This is probably the main processor, yes. Motorola MC68RC000 FN16. So really a multitask, widely used chip by the time, I believe. There is another header connector here for something else. You can see the plugs here. They did put some kind of hard glue on them, not sure why. We have a fuse here and here. We have a big diode here, it must be for a polarity reverse protection. And guys, I did not see it, excuse me. we have bulge wires, lots of them. Look at this, here, I'm going onto this little ship with a little surface mount cap here, floating around, going there, and here, more bulge wires, going to the rear side, this one, and here, not insulated bulge wire, almost touching this solder pad here. Very, very nasty work. You can see the case is in die-cast metal. Looks like magnesium, I believe. Must be magnesium. It is very light. Seems very light. Or magnesium alloy with lots of aluminium in it. I have a washer here. Not sure where it is from. Maybe from here. Insulating washer. So here are the insides of this. Again, look at these guys. It is really, really nasty. There is a must be a tantalum capacitor. One side soldered to the case here, and the other side having wires connected to it. Not the best work I have seen in this thing, by the way. Lots of modifications here too. Not sure why. So it is an obscure brand anyway. Orbital. No doubt they did disappear after it. Killed by Nokia, Ericsson, and other major companies. There are two little caps here which are seems in good condition. Some power transistor here for power supply regulation probably. And it's all in fact. So I will put back this thing together and it will go in storage as it is a good collection item. There is a sort of date marking here in the casting and it is written 91. So it must be an older design of case. Seems the case model has been around for several years. Other fuse here. And it's all. I did not try to power it up. Maybe I will do it, but I do not expect anything really exciting to happen, especially with without matching SIM card in this. It will probably just light up and ask for the SIM card anyway. Look at this. Here the little bulge wire is passing underneath the legs of this surface mount transistor. Really? Okay. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.